Welcome to this week's version of Nickels and Dimes, our weekly video series. Today I'm going to share with you some information that was released recently by Ned Davis Research. They're one of the more reputable research firms in the world, investment research that is. They look back since 1970. So since 1970, they look back and identified which areas of the market were underperforming prior to the stock market topping out, and which areas actually perform well prior to the stock market topping out. So again, since 1970, looked at which three areas of the overall marketplace were underperforming just before the market topped, and again, which three areas actually outperformed or did better just before the market topped. Now, why is this important now? Because since March 2020, so since last year, we had a very big move up in equity prices, primarily, at least in my opinion, primarily as a result of the Fed's stimulus. I mean, trillions of dollars came into the economy, propped up financial markets. The Fed also, of course, reduced interest rates. So the Federal Reserve has been really, the governments, global governments really have been propping up financial markets. But the question is, how long can this last? No one really knows. But again, we are seeing some indications of the market bull run being tired or exhaustive. So I'm bringing in this information up today and sharing with you because you may be considering putting some cash to work. So if you are considering doing that, I would be very cautious. So which are the three sectors that have, at least according to Ned Davis Research, underperformed since, that gives us an indication, again, since 1970, that the market is topping out? These three sectors are utilities, energy, and financials. So again, utilities, energy, and financials. So if you look at those three sectors, again, according to Ned Davis Research, since 1970, they have historically underperformed the other sectors of the marketplace. Now, will that is that going to be another indication of the market actually topping out? Well, only time will tell. Conversely, which three sectors performed the best right before the market topped out? According to Ned Davis Research, that's consumer staples, healthcare, and consumer discretionary. So again, why am I bringing this up today? Really for two reasons. Number one, we get a lot of questions. So, I have some cash on the sideline. Should I put it to work? So by looking at certain metrics like these, you can give yourself at least an advantage to determine if it makes sense to put that money to work or not. The other thing is, maybe you've made a lot of money in this bull market run. Maybe you want to start taking some profits. You may have seen in the news, of course you have, concerns about the Delta variant potentially slowing down the economy and what that may or may not do. But again, the market's gone up quite significantly since March of 2020, so you may want to take some profits. So whichever camp you're in, again, having information like this will definitely give you an advantage, at least in our opinion, and give you an idea of where we are in the market cycle. So to that end, if you would like a second opinion on your portfolio or financial situation to identify if you're in the right sectors or the wrong sectors, at least based on historical probabilities, you can send us an email, cnichols@nicholswealth.com, or go on our website at nicholswealth.com to learn more about what we do. In the meantime, thank you again for watching. Bye-bye.